How to add a call to action button to Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can achieve this. Now, this is going to be one of the basic things that we can do. And it's going to be very powerful because it's going to redirect us to a page where people can buy our products and so on. So how do we actually achieve this? So we can just go ahead and open up our Shopify admin. And then from here, we just want to go to online store and go to themes. From here, we can just go ahead and click on customize to the theme that we want to add the button to. So basically, buttons are going to function this way. We have sections like this one, the image banner, and within certain sections, we can add buttons. Like in this case, we already have this one, which is the button, which says shop all. So in this case, let's just go ahead and add another section, a completely new one, and let's just do, for example, a slideshow. Slideshow does also offer the option to add a button. So here we can actually see it already comes with a button. If that's the case, we can always just adjust it individually. So because this is a slideshow, we have different slides here. And if we just click on the first one, we will find, if we just scroll down, the button label. So we can just change this to shop now, for example. And then we would want to add the button link. In this case, we can just go ahead and add the page they want it to lead to, or maybe even a external link. In that case, we can also do so. For example, like google.com, but this is a call to action. So most likely it's going to be to a page, and it's going to be for the, or a collection actually. So let's just go ahead and make it so that it goes to the collection. Homepage collection. Sure, I don't really have any other collection to show for the time being, but this is how we can do it. Or we can also make it a product. If we click on the button link, we can just make it a product. So we can just click on products and select the proper product for it. So let's just go for this one for this example. And if we want to adjust the other slide, again, it's going to be exactly the same way. You click on it, you scroll down, change the button label, and also change the button link. Now, if you want, if for example, let's say in the image banner, we don't see a button. In that case, if you want to add it, you can just click on add block and you will find buttons. If not available, then you can't really do so in that section unless you want to, add some sort of coding and so on. But usually it says add block and it should be a button. If not, like I said, that section does not actually support it. And if you click on button now, it actually shows us two different buttons here. If you want to remove one of them, you can just go ahead and delete the label for it, and it's going to be removed. And if you want to add it back, you can feel free to add text. And again, it can just go ahead and work on the link. So let's, for example, say this is the red one, this is the purple one. And then we can just add the link to them. So this is the red, so we can go to products, red, and this is going to be for purple. So we can just go to products and purple. So this is pretty much all to it. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.